Shape Your Home is an innovative and design-led concept that Kingswood Homes are bringing to our customers. So it will allow people to choose from a selection of ground floor layouts and first floor layouts and put them together and create their perfect home. People use their houses in different ways, and we've had customers who've loved the development and loved the house, and what this will allow them to do is to tailor the layout to meet their specific needs. So we have people who may have young children and want a playroom. We have customers who are working at home. And then there are those who love to entertain family and friends, and they want open plan living downstairs, and upstairs they want extra ensuite bathrooms so their guests who stay overnight have got extra facilities. So it's really simple and quite fun to do. So the customer will come in, sit with our sales consultant, and they will be shown the options that are available to them for the layouts for the ground floor and the options that are available for the first floor, and they will put them together, mix and match them, and then they'll have their perfect home.
I think because we're not mass producing the same houses on each site, it allows us to create individual homes. I think it's something that we think is important to customers, that they get choice and more variety. I think that now people are going to be working from home, people want more from their home, and having the option to pick different floor plans to best suit their needs is going to be really important to people in the future. Because people are different, they're looking for different things from their homes, and I think that Shape Your Home will give people more choice and more flexibility to use their home in ways that are important to them.